Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can fix error when printing a PDF file in Adobe Acrobat. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my PDF file. I'm going to go to my file explorer and I'm going to open this PDF file with Adobe Acrobat. Okay, and I'm going to print this document. I'm just going to press Ctrl P. Okay, and if you have error when printing a PDF file problem, I recommend you to go to the advanced menu, and here you're going to select the print as image, and after that you just need to click on OK. Okay guys, and that's all the way to fix error when printing a PDF file in Adobe Acrobat. I hope this trick will work on your Adobe Acrobat application. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.